Your child isn't talking yet. It seems like something's a little off, but you're not sure. Is it something more going on? Is it time to seek some more help? Maybe get an evaluation, see what's going on. Could they just be a late talker? Is it just a speech delay? Or could it be autism? What's happening here? Because they say every child is different. So could my child just be developing on their own timeline? Trust me, I know how overwhelming this can be and how it can feel. So I want to help you have some actionable steps to just take the right next step, because at the end of the day, sometimes that is what it comes down to. You have to just make the right next step, take it one step at a time, just like your child is learning to do. So when you as a parent are in that place of understanding if it's a speech delay, if they're a late talker, or if it's something more like autism, the best thing that you can do is to take this questionnaire that I like to refer parents to. It's called the MChat. And the reason why this questionnaire is helpful is because it gives you specific and concrete yes, no questions so that at the end of it, you can walk away and have something specific that you know to do next. And so at the end, after you're done answering the questions, it will tell you if there is reason for concern for you to seek further evaluation for autism or not. And just because you get to the end and it does recommend that you get an evaluation for autism, it's not giving you a diagnosis, but it just gives you the right next step. The fact of the matter is that there are a lot of signs and behaviors that do overlap between a child that has a speech or language delay and a child that has autism. So having something so concrete like this to help you understand the right next step can be immensely helpful. So if you would like to complete this questionnaire, all you have to do is comment quiz down below and I will send it directly to you. And while you're here, I have something for you. I have a completely free speech milestone guide down in the description below that you can get completely for free. It's a speech milestone guide from birth all the way to 5 years old, so you can see that big picture and know exactly what to expect of your child. If you found this video simple, practical, and helpful, please go ahead and subscribe so that I can make more videos just like this to help families just like yours. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.